गुड इवनिंग। कल ये पढ़ लिया था, ये पूरा हो गया था। ठीक है, आज भी सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, कल से पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन हो जाएगा। प्लीज थोड़ा सा कोऑपरेट करिए, थोड़ा मेरी तबीयत नहीं सही है इस समय। ठीक है, आज ये पढ़ना था ना, पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशिंग बर्थ कंट्रोल। थोड़ा सा इसमें एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं आज। ठीक है, जो एनसीईआरटी बता रही है उसी से मुताबिक थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे। In the last century, and all around development in the variation field significant improved the quality of life of the people. However, increased health facility along with the better life condition had the close impact on the growth population. Just a minute. The growth population, the world population, which was around 2 billion to 2000 billion in 19,000, dropped to about 6 billion by 2000 and 7.2 billion 2011 are similar. ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आ सकता है। इसको मैं रेड पेन से कर देती हूँ कि आपको जल्दी समझ में आ जाए। ये लाइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये जो मैं रेड पेन से कर रही हूँ, ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आ सकता है। पॉपुलेशन पूछी जा सकती है। ठीक है, मैं लिख भी दे रही हूँ, ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आ सकता है। Sorry. A similar trend was the observed in India too. Population was the explosion. ये भी आ सकता है। Independence reached the billion mark by 2000 and the cross 1.3 billion. ये यहाँ तक आपका नीट में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है। ठीक है, ये पूरा आपका नीट में आ सकता है। A rape death rate, maternal prolated rate, MMR and infant mortality rate, as well as an increase in the number of people in the age of reason for this through are reproductive health, child length health, RCH programming through way could be down the population growth rate. It was only marginal around to 2011 cases report the population growth rate was the less 2% to 2020. ये जितना भी डेट पेन से लिखा है ये पूरा नीट में आ सकता है। इसको प्रॉपर तरीके से आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा। At watch our population could increase rapid. Such an anthro rate could lead to an observation based requirements, food, shelter, and clothes, and significant and the government was the focus of the serious pressure mechanism such sketch this population growth rate. The most यहाँ से मैं पेन चेंज कर दूं वरना आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे। The most important step to overcome this problem is to motivate smaller families by using variation contraceptive pills. You might seen adventures in the media as well as posted bills, solar, जो happy couples and the हम जैसे happy couple का देखा नहीं है। So आजकल बहुत चलता है, पहले हम दो हमारे दो. We are too many people, most of the young urban and working is the adopted and the child normal and the marriageable age of the female 18. Female की marriageable age होती है 18. क्या लिख दिया, सॉरी, 18 होती है और मेल की होती है 21. In such given couples with the small families to the measure tackle this problem. Let's discuss and the contraceptive as a help unwanted pregnancy. एक कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स की पिल आती है, उसको खाने से आपके अंदर अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी नहीं होगी. An ideal contraceptive should be used a friendly, effective side with side effect. Should is nowhere interfere sex drive and the sexual and the file contraceptive pills available, which is a coded boarding group, and the skeleton named natural tradition barriers IUD over contraceptives, injection, implantation, and surgery methods. थोड़ा सा आज लंबा जाएगा, बस थोड़ा इंग्लिश होगा, 10-15 मिनट का इधर उधर। Natural methods works and the principle and avoiding distress is the periodic adjustment and is one the method in which the avoids quarters and day 10 to 17 of the menstruation cycle when the ovulation comes and the changes fertilization very high during this period is the fertilization the absent coitus and the period and the without and the coitus interruption method in which the male partner with the and the penis from the vagina and the injects and avoid the lactation and the condoms and males condoms and females ये कॉपर टी यू है ये इंसल्ट होता है हमारी चाइना में menstruation and this is the bit and the fact of ovulation and therefore cycles occurs during the period and the lactation and the parturition there is a long and the mother beast feeding child full change and the consent and the full being reported and affected up to a maximum period of is 6 months parturition and the 6 month तक gestation period चलता रहता है breastfeeding वाला I use the methods and the chances and the failure and through the method and also in the burial methods, ovum and the sperms the form the physical meat in the health and the variation. Such methods are the available from both males and females condoms and the variation and rubber stainless steel ये रबर की तरह की होती है. The penis in the male and the female vagina sex and the coitus injection and the female reproductive tract and the contraceptive in निरोधक is ये बहुत फेमस थी ये निरोधक के नाम से popular and the brand condom and the male and use the condom is as the retin additional benefit of the protecting and the STDs and AIDS both the male and female condoms and the distributors can be the self-adhesion and the default cervic caps button are also barriers made rubber and the female and the cervix during the quarters that prevent excision and sperm to the cervix. Therefore, and as the formulas and along increase there the contrast efficient another fit population intrauterine device. This divides in doctors are expert nurse and the uterus to the vagina. ये इंटराइन यूटराइन डिवाइस आईयूडीएस ये बहुत ही एक एक्सपर्ट से कराने चाहिए वरना फिर बहुत केसेस होते हैं डेथ होने के मदर की डेथ हो जाती है these uterine and the present and the available and the non-medical IUD the polyps groups copper lesion IUDS CUT COS7 ये बहुत सारे नंबरों में आती है ये बहुत सारे नंबर में आती है बहुत सारे शेप में आती है बड़ा छोटा ऐसा and the hormones release IUDs progesterone and IUDs increase with the CU ions release motility and the facility capacity of the hormone released the IUCDs in the addition make the unsuitable for the implantation and the cervix coitus and the sperm IUDs ideal contraceptives for the females in the vaginal pregnancy or the same child. It is one of the most widely accepted methods of contraception in India. ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आ सकता है ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आ सकता है ये क्वेश्चन नीट में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसको मार्क कर लीजिएगा ये रेड पेन से रुक जाओ मैं कर देती हूँ ये ठीक है ये मार्क कर दिया पूरा oral addition and some small dose in the progestation and progesterone abination is another contraceptive method used the female there as used in the form of the tablet, hence in the popular called the pills. Pills having the taking period 21 days, starting with the 5 days of menstruation cycle. After the gap 7 days during the which menstruation occurs, it has the repeated plans and the female prevent and the ovulation and implantation, as well as after the quality cervix merging and enter the sperm. Pills as well as the side effects by the female. Saheli is the new oral contraceptive females and the ये जो हमारी जो दवा होती है, ये पिल्स होती हैं, ये हमारी 28 days की होती है. Preparation, it is the weekly pill and the side effects and high contraceptive use. Progesterone and the abortion and the used by the female inject and implantation of the under the skin mode is the swells and the peoples and the long abortion and the progesterone and progesterone abortion IDS 72 hours coitus and the word and very effective emergency contraceptive avoid pregnancy rape causes unprotected intercourse surgery method and the surgery are the surgery generally avoids from the male and female partners terminal methods and the any more. डायग्राम देख रहे हो ये ट्यूबिकॉटेड एंड इसमें देखो इसमें इनका ये काट दिया जाता है और इसमें ये दोनों चीज बांध दो तो फिर बस इतना सा और बताया. Surgery methods and the habitat provide consequences produce fasciitis and female tubers in the ये जो डायग्राम बना था इस डायग्राम का पूरा ब्रीफली दे दिया गया क्या है ये पढ़ लीजिएगा ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इससे नीट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. एक बार इसको बस चलते फिरते देख लीजिएगा. Tied up and the scrotum and tube and the remove of the small increase abdominal and the vagina is a little higher and the deposit very poor. It is the ammunition structure contraceptives else qualified medical professional. One must also remember contraceptives not a regular requirement for the maintenance of the reproductive health in the pediatric natural reproductive contraceptive pregnancy and the focus methods and the pregnancy daily pregnancy due to the personally reason and the role checking under controlled grow and how they are possible it will in nausea abdominal pain big throat bedling irregular menstruation cycle bleeding and the cancers breast cancer through are not very significant should not be total ignored. Thank you so much. आज का टॉपिक खत्म हो गया. कल लास्ट टॉपिक रहेगा एमटीपी. ठीक है ये एमटीपी हाँ बस एमटीपी उसके बाद परसों एक लेक्चर और रहेगा बस फिर चैप्टर खत्म. 4 लेक्चर में चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है इसको अच्छे से एनसीईआरटी पर आप लोग खुद पढ़ लीजिएगा. कोई दिक्कत हो कोई परेशानी हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता दीजिएगा. ठीक है कल एमटीपी पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है आज भी क्लास थोड़ी लेट मिलेगी आप लोगों को. कल 5 बजे मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं भेज दूंगी थोड़ी सी. ठीक है ओके थैंक यू बाय बाय टेक केयर.